Now that I'm done with tomorrow's video, let's make today's. Now this stuff goes behind this camera. Sellotape. And that is how you do cheap soundproofing. I'm a genius. Now that we've done that, and this might sound a bit better, I don't know if it does or if it doesn't yet. Okay, the reason why I'm doing that now is because I need a couple of little voiceover bits for tomorrow. I don't often do voiceover, I don't really like doing voiceover. Because in my opinion, my voice sounds horrible. Especially with this cold, disease, whatever it is. I guess I should do the voiceover now instead of sitting here fiddling with this. Recording the voicing for the video now. All done. Yeah! This stinks of Yoo-hoo. This actually stinks of Yoo-hoo.